What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Hope you have an amazing day. You know I am. Back out here on our unboxing video. We're unboxing a Case 5A Super M Series 2 backhoe made by Earl and 150 scale diecast mill. I seen this at some kind of store vet in Almagi, Oklahoma. I saw I'd give like $20 for it. So, yeah. Even though it ain't too bad. It's pretty good looking shape backhoe. It's got amazing details. Let me show you around back here on the box. On the back of the box, it shows about the backhoe. It's got detailing machine. It's got a 556 M2 diesel engine in it and 9 net horsepower at 22,000 RPM. And right there shows a loader or anything. And yeah. Overall, ain't too bad looking at the machine though. Boxes in roughed up shape. Anyways, let's go ahead and get the sucker on box, shall we? Okay, right here is the actual model itself on the box, as you can see. Our detail, I think it's pretty stiff as well, you can tell. Stabilizers, I think they do hold. Let me see, hang on. Oh, my stabilizers are stiff enough to just hold the actual machine up. Yeah, that's pretty much detailed in the backhoe. There's a steering on it. Backhoe and everything does work. I don't know why that says extender hoe on there. It's not actually a case extender hoe. Oh yeah, the front bucket's pretty stiff. I don't want to break it or nothing. Yeah, right there is pretty much detailed, I think you even go on display on your shelf or something, kind of like that. Like, it's even stiff enough to hold itself off the ground, and plus stiff enough to just hold backhoe like that. Like, that's surprising, because everyone that gets these models like this by Earl, their stabilizers don't always come like that, stiff. Like my 5A Super N backhoe I got, it's not stiff enough to hold itself up. But that's surprising how that thing holds itself up. Yeah. Let me try to see I show y'all too the lower functions on it real quick without breaking this thing. It's a pretty good decent model and anything. By the time I get through playing around the stabilizers, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna probably come loose eventually. Right there's the dumping angle and everything on it. As you can see. Oh, it's got, I think, actual working steering, I think. Yeah, that's annoying how way they do that. Overall, ain't bad model or anything. But yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all too like this video. If y'all too do, comment down below, see what y'all too think of this machine. Anyways, as always, your boy, 26 McGee Farms. Anyways, peace out.